Okay, welcome to my first try at an accordion card. This one is going to feature the Four Seasons, which is a really great format for a 4-panel piece as far as scenic stamping goes. We stamped the winter ash tree 4 times, and now I'm stamping the seasons using one of the scenic sentiment sets that have the 4 seasons on there. Adding in the sedge filler stamp at the base of the trees, except for under the winter one, which will use the snow texture. Adding it in right here. Okay, so we have the foundation for our pieces here. A little bit of extra texture with the tiny rocks small. A little bit less rocks in the winter one because that's supposed to be covered in snow. And adding a little bit of foreground here with the reeds, except for in the snow area, where we'll use a little bit of this craggy little branch. Okay, a little bit of subject matter to go in each piece, a little bit of a focal point. People or animals. Okay, now on this wood grain paper, the colored pencils work really well, so I'm adding the greens. In the summer and fall, it starts getting a little bit browner, and in the winter, we're using just a little bit of a different blue tones in there. Okay, now in the trees, I'm starting off my summer, adding in some green leaves in there, a little bit of a residual green in the fall, and then spring we have renewal, so I'll add in a few little green leaves into that one. Snowy branches here in the winter time. A little bit of sparkle on that, kind of on the meadow and the grassy areas. Going into the fall here with a base color of a pretty bright red. And then adding some of those leaves down at the base of the tree. Going in with a lighter green. White here in the spring. And orange now in the fall. I had to kind of wait for everything to dry, so it was nice having all 4 of these to work with while the other season dries, because this paint gets pretty thick on here. So you can see I'm building it up from each tree from kind of a darker color to a lighter one. A little bit of splatter painting for the winter scene to represent snowfall. And here you have it right here. Here's the 4 different seasons and my first accordion card. Hope you liked it, and thanks so much for watching.